Lucid is in the news today. That is today, the 12th of December 2022. This is largely down to the news that their chief financial officer is stepping down, and we can see it's down 9.22%. And so far, it is definitely one of the most active stocks, I want to believe, with this 35 million shares that have crossed the tapes that have crossed the tape so far. Okay, this is the order book for Lucid. Things stand right now. We have a decent narrow range of we can see so far. From what we can see, you can see the $3.9 here, and then a 4.47. That's pretty modest, not a very huge range, the folks at London Stock Exchange Group, they have a few highlights. They have this stock report for Lucid, and amongst its peers, apart from Tesla, Xpeng, and one other one, Kaijin or something like that, all the other ones have yielded negative returns, including Lucid since the last 1 year. But we can also see that it's if you delightful fact about Lucid, its best month return is around over the last 60 months. Okay, well, is 124.4%. I don't know if that's really helpful. 60 months is a lot of time over the last 5 years. But in any case, Lucid currently has a risk rating of 3, which is significantly below the S&P 500 index average rating of 8.9. On days when the market is up, LCID shares tend to outperform the S&P 500. Okay. However, on days when the market is down, the shares generally decrease by more than the index. Okay, so in the short term, LCID has shown high correlation, greater than 0.4 with the S&P 500 index. The stock has, however, shown low correlation, which is greater than or equal to a negative 0.1 and less than 0.2 with the market in the long term. Over the last 90 days, LCID shares have been more volatile than the overall market, as the stock's daily price fluctuations has exceeded that of 99% of the S&P 500 index firms. So if you come back to what's going on right now, let's look at LCID. Let's see what it's doing in this as things stand right now. This is the 1 minute chart, and here we have currently we have a couple of we have this ML tool here, and it's I think it's indicating, I can see a red -8 here, a red 8 here, so it is indicating that maybe the current trend it is in right now, it's not going to be can be sustained. Okay, but it's not really going to be of much help for you if anything, looking at this 1 minute chart. But let's just have a look at the most upper projection here, 4.41, and a couple of other projections. We have a downward projection of 4.1. So let's just go down to the 1 day chart and just have a look and see what's going on here. So as things stand right now, it's because of this weakness, because of what has happened of late. As a matter of fact, the stock has been showing a lot of some weakness for some time now, and I think the trend is we have a -6 here based on this Lorentzian classification ML tool. It's a -6. I think it's probably indicating that maybe the strength of this retracement is not it's going to wane. It's not it won't be sustained. Okay, so given all of that, we can remove this tool and quickly have a look at its price extrapolation. Let's see, let's add this Itakura Saito autoregressive extrapolation of price. Let's add it to this daily chart and see. Okay, so this is also, interestingly, this extrapolation is indicating that the stock has the sideways movement we have been seeing of late is too too bearish. It's this extrapolation based on what has happened. I want to believe over the it's up over the last 50 days or 50 trading sessions. It's extrapolating that it's going. It should be better than the price. Should be better than what it is right now. It should be around as things stand right now. It's extrapolating that it should be around. It should be trading at around $5.36 and 5.36. The last time it traded at those sort of levels was sometime in October. But even at that, progressing further, by Tuesday the 19th, it's extrapolating $5.8, and even further by Wednesday the 27th of December, it's extrapolating 6.18, and that is just slightly below this indicative volume line of 6.37. But outside that, we have an upper projection of 7.44. Then we have just slightly above it 4.54, and then below where it is we have 3.41, we have 2.71, we have 2.15, we have 1.58, and then the lowest of them is 0.7591. Let's see what the 1 week chart is saying. Okay, the extrapolation is modestly strong as well. We have 10.33. This is for Tuesday the 20th of February. What are the odds that this will pan out? Well, Lucid has been moving sideways. The odds of that happening doesn't look I was just say, it doesn't look that high. The odds of that happening is not very high, but never say never. It's a long time between now and the 20th of February. So projected to reach the highs of around around $10.07. But there are upper projections as well. There's 13.48, there's 19.78, and above that we have 24.77. It was what it was trading at. Okay, 24. That was its price around last year, around April of last year. Okay, yeah. So let's have a look at the monthly chart and see what we have for Lucid on the monthly chart. Okay, and the extrapolation in this case is a lot more. It's totally different. It's very much bearish. We're talking about something around 1.12 come 1.12 okay, let's say 1.12 come sometime in September, but let's see, it's a long time before now. It's very long time before that time. Okay, so let's return to the 1 minute chart and see what's going on with Lucid as things stand right now. The extrapolation on this 1 minute chart is still moderated as well at 4.13. So the stock is in the news today. Their CFO, Chief Financial Officer, stepped down, and as things stand right now, it's down 9.22%. Maybe a buy the dip opportunity. So far 35.294 million shares have crossed the tape. We still have the same range, not $3.9 and 4.47. Not a lot has transpired since that time. So see what you make of LCID, and thank you very much for watching this video.